Hello guys, I'm glad to see you in my free course From Zero to Hero. Welcome to the lesson number 4. We will speak about Russian word stress, and at the end of the lesson you will read your first small text. Don't forget to put like if you haven't done it yet, and let's start! The first thing you need to know is that there is no rule that will help you to discover the stress mark of the word. And at the same time, it's very important to know the stress mark of each word. Unfortunately, Russians don't put stresses when they write. In books and magazines, you will not see stresses too. Only books for foreign students have accent mark. But don't worry, there are a few services which can do it for you online and absolutely for free. One of these services is morpher.ru/accentizer. All you need to do is put a text in a window, press «Расставить ударения» and you have a stress mark above each word. I will place the active link in description. You should know that the letter yo is always under stress, but unfortunately for you guys, we don't write these two dots always. So the only thing you can do is to remember the stress mark of each word. It's not so difficult as it may seem at first. Very soon you will get used to it and will feel the Russian language. The thing which I'm never tired to repeat is that you don't need to be scared to make mistake. Sometimes even native Russian speakers confuse stresses. A very common mistake among Russian native speakers, for example, is saying звонят instead of звонят. So just relax and take pleasure of learning and speaking Russian. And now let's read one small text together. Меня зовут Антон. Я студент. Я учусь в университете. Через 5 лет я буду врачом. Мне 20 лет. Я не женат. У меня есть брат и сестра. Я люблю путешествовать и читать книги. Я мечтаю прочитать «Война и мир» в оригинале. Еще я играю на гитаре. По выходным я катаюсь на велосипеде в парке. Отлично, супер! Read this text, post video on your Instagram story and tag me. You can easily find me on the Instagram as Russian_up. I have the biggest Instagram community for those who learn Russian language. See you guys in my next videos. Пока-пока!